Hey Alexis, I am glad you decided to come over to my house to study for our upcoming exam. The sociology test seems to be very difficult. I have studied all the materials, but I am still not confident about my performance this Friday.
Yes, this test is going to be hard, but since you have covered all the materials, you should be adequately prepared. I have read all the chapters, but I have not studied the notes from the lectures. Let's do a review starting from Chapter 1 and then we will work our way up through Chapter 3. Does that sound okay to you?
That sounds like a good idea. Let's start.
Well, in Chapter 1, the book covers the 3 fundamental points of view on sociology. Do you know what these 3 points of view are?
Yes, I think I do. They are the functionalist, the conflict, and the interactionist perspectives. Is that right?
Yes! You got it. Good job. Well, you know what the functionalist perspective talks about. It is the easiest to remember.
Oh yes. That one talks about how everyone has a function in society. It states that everyone has a function in life where their collective actions will be put together for the benefit of society.
That is correct. No need to ask. But I think you understand very well what the other 2 perspectives are all about, right?
Yes, I can explain very precisely what they are. There is no need for me to do a review on them. Let's finish the other chapters.
Well, how about you quiz me on Chapter 2?
Sure. Well, in Chapter 2, the book discusses Max Weber. Who is Max Weber and what was his opinion on the issue of organization?
Well, Max Weber was one of the founders of the modern study of sociology. He believed that organizing requires communication, coordination, and control.
That is correct. You are doing really well too, Alexis.
Thanks, Mary. I feel pretty good about Chapter 2. Let's take a break right now and we will finish going over the main parts of Chapter 3 when we come back.
Chapter 3 is the most difficult chapter. I have read the chapter twice on top of reviewing all my lecture notes, and it is still quite confusing. Maybe I just made a big deal out of nothing.
Chapter 3 covers quite a few different concepts. It might be better for us to write down each concept and then carefully do a comparison of their similarities and differences. I bet our teacher will ask us to write a short essay on each concept as part of the exam.
Do you think so? I better get myself prepared since we only have an hour to finish the exam. I am never good at writing as I always have difficulties putting my thoughts on paper. I have worked so hard to overcome this problem, but I still have not improved much. Maybe I have a tendency of overanalyzing things.
I do not think that is your problem. It is probably a case of anxiety. Try to relax and take it easy. Things get worse when you do not have control of yourself.
I know. However, I cannot help it. It is good that you suggested we take a break. I need to have a clear mind when we start on Chapter 3. Let's go find something to eat and listen to some soothing music for a while.
Okay, Mary. Thank you for watching channel, Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.